Hey everybody, Professor Cynical back again with another cryptocurrency exchange video. Now in today's video guys, we are going to be looking at the BITSAILS exchange. Now this exchange is so new onto the market. However, as of today, it has just released its alpha version onto the platform. So guys, what that basically means is I'm super excited to jump in and show you what BITSAILS is all about. So let's get into today's video. So if we just scroll down here, as you can see, we're on the live market section on the front page of this website. Now this can tell us all of the Bitcoin markets. Now for example, what's really trading right now, what's really hot in this market is your BTC to Doge. Absolutely amazing volumes are coming through. As you can see, it's had a 26.1% increase in change, which is absolutely fantastic. There's also LTC on there, or Litecoin, and there's absolutely loads of new coins. So for example, you got mini Doge on there, even going down to something like Sprint, you got Platinum. All of these coins are fully tradable on this market. So as we scroll down, just for a little bit more information, now one of the very first things that pop out to me is it has an ultra fast trading engine. It's custom built, guys, from the ground up, which is absolutely fantastic, which means the devs have put so much work into this marketplace. The next one, as you can see, it's EU based in the European Union. We are committed to bring a safe infrastructure to European based citizens and worldwide users. That's right guys, you don't even have to live in the EU to take full advantage of this website. It's got reliable infrastructure, it's security first, and trust me, I've been speaking to the devs and they're all about security and customer service. Lowest fees is something I'm going to talk a little bit more about further into the video. But in their own words, as you can see, the lowest fees compared to other competitors. Now, for my own personal use case of this website, I can fully agree with that. So we're just going to dive into a little bit further into this on the About Us section. Now, pause the video here if you want to read the entire full script. However, here are some bullet points. Now, the very first thing I want to take a look at here is personal info and anonymity. Now, one of the best things about this site is any details that you do put into this site, it is immediately encrypted using the strongest methods of encryption available today. But by far, guys, one of the best things about this exchange is there is absolutely no KYC. What that basically means is you don't need to upload a picture of your driving license. There's no passport required. There's no actual identifier required in order for you to use this site. So that's what personal info and anonymity is also a best strong point about this site is you make a simple registration, that's it, you are fully able to use the site. You can also cash out or withdraw using the site and you don't need to enter any card information or anything else like that, just simple wallet addresses. I mean, how quick and easy is that? And one last little thing I want to go over on this particular page is fast and free deposits and easy withdrawals. That's right. Now for a very limited time only, the withdrawal process, they're actually charging a 0 commission on all withdrawals. How incredible is that? They're actually running right now a free withdrawal commission on their launch promo because again, they're now in alpha, they want to celebrate. So right now guys will be your opportune time to get in on this exchange. So first of all guys, what we're going to do is we're now going to go over to wallets. As you can see, I've got 750 Doge in there ready to play with. And that is completely courtesy of BITSAILS for making today's video. So thank you very much to them for sponsoring today's video as well. So here we go, guys. We have 750 Doge. You can also see that I've also got a Foxed coin address, which is something I'm incredibly excited about. Now, guys, let's say you've deposited some Dogecoin, Bitcoin, or whatever the case may be, and you want to go ahead and start trading on the markets. So as you can see on screen right now, I've gone ahead and I have gone over to the Dogecoin exchange part on this exchange itself. Now, as you can see, there is buying and selling. There's a great trade history. It's incredibly strong on this platform right now, which is absolutely fantastic. So we're going to go ahead and play with this a little bit. So let's just say I like this offer right here. So this is for physically buying some BTC or Bitcoin. On the left, you can see that Bitcoin is for 0.00000 and then 114 at the end. And they're selling 11 and a little bit of Dogecoin for that. Nice and easy. You click on the number, it automatically populates on the right, and you click sell. Easy as that. And this is where the auction engine on this website really kicks into play, because look at how instantaneous that is there on the bottom. As you can see, it's actually registered straight away on the market history that the transaction was fully complete and done. And you can see on my Bitcoin available now, you can see I have a little bit of Bitcoin. Fantastic. All right, guys. So let's say you want to sell your Dogecoin and be a bit more competitive in the market rather than just selling it outright on the buying side. So as you can see the right hand side, I'm going to put mine to 143. That way then, and I'm at the top of the market and I'll be the first to sell. So I've got 738 Doge right now selling at 0.0000143, which then puts me first in line. And now all it takes, guys, is a waiting game for somebody to come along, likes the price then that I've set, and then they'll buy that wonderful Dogecoin with some wonderful BTC or Bitcoin, which is absolutely incredible. So as you can see on the top left there, you can see I've got this Bitcoin available. So let's say you sold all your Dogecoin or whatever coin you want and you got some BTC, or maybe you've just directly inserted Bitcoin into a wallet and you're ready to play with it. What do you do from there? Now, guys, that is very, very simple. We click on BITSAILS here, and then we go to markets. Now, as you can see, there's plenty and plenty of markets that you can choose from. I'm going to choose from mini Dogecoin to keep with the theme of today's video. Now, as you can see, the sell history and buy history for this one is a little bit slower than regular Dogecoin, but it will serve today's purpose nonetheless. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead, guys, right now and make a mistake. So let's say you have this BTC or Bitcoin to play with and you want to make yourself a buy order. So you don't want to sell your Bitcoin for the price asking on the right. Instead, you want to make your own buy order here on the left. So I want to be very, very competitive with the guy on the left-hand side currently bidding BTC. So what I'm going to do is, let's say in a rush, I go ahead and I put in just a few coins, but I click on his price by mistake. Now, one of the best things about the auction engine that is utilized by BITSAIL is even if you do make a mistake, it's absolutely fine, because as you can see there, instantaneously, it's added onto there. But again, we didn't want to go ahead and do that. So let's refresh the page, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to your open orders, which is the left hand side. But you can see there, it's all added in to the buying side of things. But I don't want to sell it at that price. I want to be a little bit more competitive. So we're going to go over to your open orders, and then all we need to do, guys, is cancel that request, and that will cancel, guys, straight away. It'll ask you first to make sure you're not making a mistake. Are you sure you want to delete that order? Yes, we do. Fantastic. And now we'll come over to summary. You can see it's automatically updated instantaneously. Now, guys, I've been on exchanges for a long, long time, and some exchanges actually makes you wait to cancel orders like that, where this one is completely instantaneous, which for me personally, as an experienced trader, is an absolute godsend. Now, I'm sure a lot of people out there who are experienced traders will completely understand how much of a valuable tool that can be. So let's say, guys, I want to go ahead and put in a correct order. So here we go. I put in a little order that I want. I'm going to go ahead and go before that guy. So there we go. I'm offering a little bit less of a BTC for a little bit more of the mini Dogecoin, which is absolutely great. So we can do that, guys. But again, let's say you change your mind and you want to actually be a bit more competitive with the order. We can totally do that, guys. We can actually just keep on doing this as many times as we want. It's completely flexible. Here we go, guys. I've put in a value. Let's say I want 3.19 mini Doge. Fantastic. And I'm being as competitive as I can be. So I've gone 1 point above the guy below me, which means I am now first for any potential buyers of Bitcoin will then trade me that amount of mini Doge for my Bitcoin. And that's how you can see how trading can work on this particular platform. Again, everything is laid out absolutely beautifully on this site. It's easy to understand, easy to read, and all trades are instantaneous thanks to that auction engine. So absolutely jump on this whilst you can, guys, because this exchange is going places. And guys, to further back that statement up, come over to Trustpilot and have a look at the BITSAILS Trustpilot. It's a 4.4 stars at the minute. Absolutely fantastic. Excellent and great across the board, guys. Now, in my own words, you can see right here, I made my own little review about it. Now, guys, this is what I said. This is one of the best upcoming exchanges on the market. Fast and reliable trading and absolutely first-in-class customer support. You need look no further than BITSAILS exchange. And guys, honestly, I truly mean that. I mean, going a bit further down here, you can see good exchange, keep growing. Hello friends, this guy's listed a load of positives, some negatives. Again, this is such a young site. There's a lot more implementation that is currently being done. But if you want to read the positives about it and the negatives, that is completely up to you. You can pause the video here. I mean, the guy even said, though, in general, from my own personal experience, he is impressed with the website, which is absolutely incredible. But again, more 5 stars across the board. Relatively new exchange, easy sign-up process, access to everybody across the globe. Absolutely fantastic. Simple and fast. Guys, it just goes on and on and on. People cannot say enough good things about this exchange. Again, if you want to look at the Trustpilot reviews, I'll have the link to that in my video description down below. And guys, I'll also have all relevant links for BITSAILS in the video description down below, including to their Discord page as well, where guys, honestly, you'll find an absolute tight-knit community. Everyone is super friendly, super helpful, and everybody that I've spoken to has been super knowledgeable about cryptocurrency. So guys, I hope everybody has enjoyed this quick review of the BITSAILS exchange website. Let me know in the comment section below what you think and if you are going to make an account with them. Anyway, guys, as always, my name is Professor Cynical, and I'll catch you all again in the next one. Bye for now.